Before you hand over your iPhone, sell it or let someone else use it. Make sure your Gmail account is completely logged out. Even if you think it's safe, your emails, contacts, and calendar could still be synced to your phone. So here's exactly how to sign out of Gmail on your iPhone the right way and protect your privacy. Let's start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Mail. Inside Mail, go ahead and tap Accounts. Now, you'll see a list of all the email accounts connected to your phone. Find the Gmail account you want to log out of and tap it. From here, you have two options. You can simply toggle off Mail, which means your Gmail messages will stop showing up in the Apple Mail app, but the account will still be linked to your phone. Or for a complete sign-out, tap Delete Account. This will remove your Gmail, Google Calendar, contacts, and notes from the iPhone. Don't worry, this doesn't delete anything from your actual Google account. All your data will still be available if you sign in again from another device or browser. Now, if you use the Gmail app instead of the built-in Mail app, you can sign out there as well. Just open the Gmail app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and tap Manage Accounts on this device. Choose the account to be removed. Tap Remove Account again from the pop-up. Next, it's also smart to sign out from your web browser, especially if you've used Gmail in Safari or Chrome. Open your browser and go to google.com. At the top right corner, tap your profile picture or initial icon. Then, tap Sign Out. That's it. You're now completely logged out. Anyone using your iPhone after this point won't have access to your Gmail, emails, or any Google services tied to your account. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.